Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create black and orange preset using Lightroom mobile. Here are some example photos using this preset. Presets can be downloaded for free. Link in description. You can download this preset for free via the link in the description. But before that, the preset is protected by a password. Please watch the full video so you can see the password and download the preset. The password consists of 4-digit number and will appear separately like this at the top. Enjoy. Let's get started. First, go to Light. Exposure minus 0.29. Contrast plus 65. Highlights 46. Shadows plus 26. Whites minus 75. Blacks to plus 22. Press curve. Follow these steps. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more editing tutorials. And turn on bell notification. Next, go to color. Vibrance to plus 35. Saturation plus 15. Next, press color mix. First, press red color. Bring down saturation to minus 26. Luminance to minus 12. Press orange. Bring the hue down to minus 10. Saturation minus 40. Luminance plus 15. Press yellow. Bring down the hue to minus 100. Saturation plus 30. Luminance to minus 35. Press green. Saturation to minus 100. Next, aqua. Bring down saturation to minus 100. Next, blue. Bring down saturation to minus 100. Violet. Saturation minus 100. Magenta. Saturation to minus 100. Next, go to Effects. Texture to plus 16. Clarity to plus 50. Dehaze to plus 40. setting at -31. Feather to 100. Roundness to +100. Midpoint to 30. Crest split tone. Then hue to 220 and saturation to 12 for highlights. Now go to details and noise reduction to 20, color noise reduction to 30. See the difference. Now copy this preset to another photo. Press copy setting. Setting here. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more editing tutorials and turn on bell notification. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.